Hello and happy Sunday the 15th. I am doing a little vlog this week. I love vlogging. You guys know this. And today I'm going to the Taylor Swift movie. I saw it last night, but I'm going with a different group of friends today. And then we're going to go to Barnes and Target. So I'll probably not bring my camera. But I just thought I would do a little weekly vlog. I literally love vlogging more than like anything. So I'm wearing my Taylor red sweater. It's obviously not like the it's not the cardigan, but it came out last year during her Christmas collection, and so I'm wearing that. I was gonna wear my Eras sweatshirt, but I decided against it, so I'm gonna wear this instead. And then yeah, I have like some stuff to haul for you guys, and it's just gonna be a chill reading week. I don't really work very much this week, which is really exciting, and I actually have a concert I'm going to on Friday, so it's just gonna be a cutie little weekly vlog. So with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Check out all my socials down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Hi besties, I am finally back for my girl day extravaganza. It's literally 9 p.m. and I am exhausted, but I figured I would give you guys kind of a little haul of the things I wanted to show you so that I can clean my room first. So obviously I got the Eras Tour movie poster from the theater. I have two because I was getting one for one of the girls that we went with, and she ended up grabbing one before like I could tell her I had one for her. So now I have two, but like I am not complaining. She also is queen, and I cannot wait to put this on my wall because I have the I have a poster for the All Too Well short film, so now I have this one, you know. So I'm very excited about that. I bought a few things from Amazon, so I have a few books and things to show you guys. So both Sarah and Destiny talked about this book, and so I was like, fine, I'm gonna just buy it. Y'all keep talking about how you want to read it and how you think it's gonna be really good, so clearly I just need to buy it. So I bought You Again by Kate Goldbeck. This was kind of expensive, but I'm pretty sure, I think it might be indie published. I'm honestly not 100% sure, but the cover is stunning. It's literally so fall coated, so I'm very excited about this one. And then this one's also a new release, and I only bought it because I don't think this cover is going to be available for like very long, and I wanted to have it for that reason because I have the other two in this version of the cover, and that is Cut Up by Liz Tom Ford. This is the third and I think possibly the final book in the Windy City series, so I grabbed that one as well, even though I haven't even read the first one, but now I have all three. And then I was looking at Prime Day deals, and I've been trying to think of what to get Alexia for Christmas. And so originally I was going to buy her a Kindle, but then somehow I had the luck of them having the Agave Green Kindle. This is the Kindle Paperwhite 16 gigabyte. This is the Agave Green one, and this is the 2023 version. So I bought myself a new Kindle, and I gave Alexia my old Kindle, even though it really wasn't old. I literally have not even had it for a year. There was absolutely nothing wrong with it. So I have a new Kindle now, and it's bigger, which is really weird. That's going to take me some time to get used to. So obviously I had to buy a clear case for it, and then I bought a pop socket for it as well so that I can put my stickers and stuff on it. And since it's bigger, I'm definitely going to want the pop socket to like hold it. And then I ordered this crew neck from Enlightened Soul Co. Literally like one of my favorite places to buy book merch, and literally I just saw that she also dropped a Divine Rivals crew neck, so I'm gonna have to order that tomorrow after I get paid because I literally need it. But this is a fourth wing crew neck, and you can get it in white or black. I got it in white just because I'm not really a black girly. Black's not really my thing. So this is the front, it says fourth wing, and then this is the back, and it says, "A dragon without its rider is a tragedy. A rider without their dragon is dead." So that's a quote from the book, and then there's like little dragons on it, which is so cute. I get all of my crew necks from her website in larges because I like my stuff to be oversized personally. So I got that. And then I saw the Taylor Swift movie yesterday as well, and so Alexia and I went book shopping at Barnes before we went to see the movie. So I bought two new releases. When I saw these, I was like, I have to have them because I've seen two of my favorite YouTubers talk about one of each of them. These are really big books, and they're also hardbacks, so they're pretty expensive. But I bought Sword Catcher by Cassandra Clare. This is her brand new book, and it's the start of a new series for her. This is the Barnes & Noble special edition. I don't know what that exactly entails. Like, I'm not sure what the difference between this and the OG edition is. But this is it without the dust jacket. Nothing too special. There's a really pretty map on the inside. I really don't know what the Barnes special edition. Oh my god. There's artwork. I didn't even look through this. Oh my god. That is so cool. I don't have any books with artwork in it, so that's like literally so cool. But this is absolutely stunning, and I saw Rachel talk about this, so I'm excited about that one. And then I have another Barnes & Noble special edition, and this is Throne of the Fallen by Carrie Maniscalco. This is slightly intertwined with the Kingdom of the Wicked series, but Sarah was talking about this one and she said it was really, really good. So I got it. There's the map, and I think that the only difference between this one and the OG, like, normal version is just the cover. I think the normal cover is black and this one is like purple. So that is kind of my haul. I'm definitely gonna have to order the Divine Rivals hoodie from Enlightened Soul Co. because it's absolutely stunning, and if you guys don't know, that is one of my top 5-star reads of 2023, so I'm definitely gonna have to be repping that. But that's everything I have bought recently. I'm always buying shit, even though I shouldn't be, and I really don't need to be buying books, but I can't help myself. So that's everything. I had so much fun at the movies. It was so good. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend going and seeing it. It's so much fun, and I love just singing along with Taylor and all the Swifties, so it's a really fun experience. I'm glad that I got to experience it twice with all of like my favorite people that are Swifties as well. So I am going to get ready for bed. I need to pick up my room a little bit. I have literally like 50 pages left of Wildfire by Hannah Grace, which I've been reading for like over a week. I just have not had the time to read. Literally the past 3 days I haven't been home at all. Last night was the first night in days I even slept in my own bed. So I've been reading that book for way too long. So I'm going to finish it tonight so that tomorrow I can start a different book. And I think I'm gonna try to read Assassin's Blade again. I would like to just try and finish that book, but I'm like genuinely terrified to even attempt it again. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna start, but that's everything for now. I will check back in with you guys in the morning. Good morning and happy Monday, October 16th. I am ready for my day. I took a shower, washed my hair, gave myself a blowout, put on makeup, wearing my Fourth Wing crew because what else would I be wearing? I have done a bunch of cleaning. I'm on my second load of laundry. I swept my room. I brushed the puppy. I have done all kinds of stuff this morning, and now I am about to film. I need a video for this week, and so I'm gonna be filming my physical TBR, which is a very long TBR. I'm like actually really scared to even know how many books I haven't read that I own, but I'm gonna film that, and then I'm going to probably edit that today, and I also need to start a new book today. So that's kind of the plan for now. Nothing too crazy or exciting going on here, but thought I'd just give a little update before I start filming for the day. It's about noon, so I want to try and get this filmed so that I can have it edited fairly early into the day so that I can just like read and relax the rest of my day. So yeah. Hello, it is many hours later. I haven't really filmed at all today. I filmed a video this morning, and then I edited, and I made lunch, and then I took a nap. So I really haven't done much today. I'm honestly So tired. I don't know why. So I cracked open an Alani Witch's Brew. These are literally so good. If you haven't had one, I highly recommend trying to find them. I literally couldn't find them at like Walmart or anything. My nail tech bestie, love her so much, she was drinking one at my last appointment, and I was like, oh my god, girl, where did you find those? Like, I've been looking everywhere. And she's like, the small like little random get and go right by the salon. I was like, say less. So I've been there 3 times to stock up. I've bought like 4 or 5 every time I go. Next time I'm in town, I will definitely be going back again because I know they're limited edition and I want to have a bunch on stock at least for the next few months, you know? So I'm tired and it just sounded good. So I cracked it open and I am finally going to start a new read. And so we are going to be starting The Ballad of Never After by Stephanie Garber. A Curse for True Love comes out in like a week, and so I figured I should get through this one. This is the special edition from Waterstones. It's literally stunning. This book I've heard has a absolutely heart-wrenching and crazy ending, so I'm not ready for that. It is just about 400 pages. So we're gonna crack open a fresh book, drink our spooky limited edition Alani, and that's basically it. I got a text from my new boss. I have training on Wednesday afternoon, so I work tomorrow, I work Wednesday, I have training Wednesday, but then Thursday and Friday and Saturday I don't have any work stuff, but Friday I have my concert. So nothing too crazy going on this week, honestly. So we're just gonna sit here, enjoy our little beverage, and start a fresh book. I'm so excited. Some of my favorite things to do. And I did order the Divine Rivals crew from Enlightened Soul Co. today. I cannot wait to get it, but this is the 4th wing one. Literally so cute. So that's what we're gonna do. Time to read. Hi guys, long time no talk. It is currently Thursday, October 19th, and I have been a busy girl the past few days. I worked on Tuesday from 8 to 4, and then I came home from work, finished The Ballad of Never After. This book was so good. If you saw one of my reading vlogs from a few weeks ago, or maybe even like it was a little while back, but I read the first book in this series and it wasn't my absolute favorite, but this one I gave 4.5 stars. This was literally so good. Highly recommend. I wanted to read it before A Curse for True Love, which is the 3rd book in the series, comes out, and that comes out in literally just a few days, so I should get my copy in the mail by the end of the next week. So I was like, okay, I need to read this and get it over with. And it was amazing. So good. Cannot wait for the 3rd one. The ending literally had me almost in tears. Like, I wasn't crying, but I was really close. I was in emotional turmoil. So it's now Thursday. I haven't started a new book yet, but today I'm going to start The 7-Year Slip by Ashley Poston. I think this is literally just like, yeah, basically like 300 pages. It's not super long. I've heard it is like one of the best cutie little simple romances ever, so I'm really excited to read it. I don't know if I'm in the romance mood per se, but this one has been high on my TBR, and so I really want to get to it, so I'm gonna read that. I haven't done too much fun stuff the last few days. Obviously, I worked on Tuesday, finished my book, and then yesterday I worked 6 to 2, but I didn't even get off until almost 3 o'clock. And then I had training for my new job from 4 to 6. And then I went out for dinner with my friends. And then today is my day off, but I have training tonight for my new job. And I also have training first thing tomorrow morning. And then obviously the Jessie Murph concert is tomorrow, which I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I'm probably going to be in emotional turmoil, but nonetheless very excited. So that's kind of what is going on right now. I don't have plans for Saturday, but then I work Sunday through Thursday, and I just next week, like the next like whole month of November is gonna be just an absolutely crazy month for me. So things are a little all over the place, but I thought I would give you a little update. I am going to start reading the 7-Year Slip. I'm gonna crack open a cold one. This is Witch's Brew. Literally amazing, so good. You need to find some. I have stocked up. I'm going to continue to stock up until my store no longer sells them, but highly recommend. So we're just going to do some reading and drink our little girly energy drink. Good morning and happy Friday, October 20th. Today is concert day. I am seeing Jessie Murph. If you don't know who she is, she's a smaller artist. She doesn't really fit into one specific genre. She's kind of like rap, pop, R&B, and country all in one. But I had training bright and early this morning, so I've been up since 6, and I'm very tired. I just got out of the shower and I don't really know what I'm wearing. I think I might be wearing this shirt, but I don't know if I want to wear black jeans or light wash denim jeans, or I don't know. I'm thoroughly struggling in the outfit department. But I'm going with 2 of my best friends, Callie and Alexia. And you guys have met Alexia countless times, so they're gonna come here later today. But Callie's actually gonna be here a lot sooner than Alexia, because Alexia has college today. So Callie and I are gonna like go get coffee, get gas, that kind of stuff. And I'm probably gonna like start my makeup pretty early in the day because I don't really know what I want to do. I haven't decided if I want to do like eyeshadow and lashes, wing eyeliner, like the whole 9 yards, or if I just want to keep it simple. Like I don't really know. So lots of uncertainness when it comes to my appearance for this concert. My skin is freaking out right now and I look exhausted. I look about as tired as I feel. So yeah, that's kind of the update for now. Nothing too crazy. I don't really know how much I'm gonna vlog today, but I will try to put some inserts from the actual concert in for you guys. But hopefully I check in again later, or maybe I'll do a time lapse or something while I'm doing my makeup. I don't know, but that's the update. It's concert day and I think I'm excited. I just am feeling pretty stressed out about it. Concerts are very stressful, so like I don't really get very excited until I'm like there, because I'm just like so stressed out. So the anxiety is pretty high right now, so that's really fun and fresh. Your words pull me closer, but your words fuck me over. I could just lie, say it's over.